Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft uh, error connection reset. If you want to fix this issue, all you have to do, click here and then go to device manager. After that, go to network adapters, right click update, and then make sure to update all those drivers here one by one into the last one here, and then just close it. And after that, go here and type view network connections, and now right click on your connection. If you are using the internet cable, you will find it like that here. Right click on it and click properties. Now just go to this one, go to properties and click here, make it like that, and now click this one and click OK, then OK again, and that's it. Now just restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem after restarting your PC, just type task manager and then close all the applications that you don't need here, like Google Chrome and also task manager, if you are done with it. And that's it. I hope that's gonna help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.